Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a turn signal bulb on a GMC Sierra. First, open your vehicle's hood and locate the headlight assembly. The turn signal bulb is usually found within this unit. You'll need to identify the specific housing for the turn signal, which often has a distinct color or shape. This initial step is straightforward and typically requires no special tools. Once you've located the correct housing, gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise. This action unlocks the socket from the headlight assembly. After unlocking, carefully pull the entire socket straight out. The old bulb can then be removed from the socket by pulling it straight out. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring or the socket itself. Now, take your new turn signal bulb and firmly insert it into the empty socket. Make sure it's seated correctly and feels secure. Then, align the socket with the opening in the headlight assembly. Push the socket back into the housing until it's fully seated. Finally, twist the socket clockwise to lock it securely into its position. With the new bulb installed, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your vehicle and activate the turn signal to confirm it's working correctly. Check both the front and rear signals to ensure everything is operational. Once you've verified the new bulb is functioning as expected, you can securely close your vehicle's hood. You've successfully replaced your turn signal bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.